Today I'm going to show you how easy it is in Photoshop to crop your images. Stick around. Okay, cropping images in Photoshop is relatively easy and straightforward. First thing you're going to want to do obviously is load an image that you need to have cropped. So we'll use this image here. Your first thing you want to do here is grab your crop tool, which is this one here. Now you can either use the edges of the box here and reshape the image or the area you want cropped and simply reposition the image into the box and give it a double click. Voila, she's cropped. Now you can go about this in another way as well. You can select the crop tool and simply draw a box around her and give it a double click. There you go, she's ready. I hope that was helpful. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.